Are you looking for the best window cleaning robots? Window cleaning robots have moved from novelty gadgets to practical tools for tall or hard-to-reach glass surfaces. They save time, reduce risk from traditional ladder cleaning, and offer consistent results on a variety of window types, including frameless and tilting panes. In this comparison, I tested 5 models across a price spectrum from budget to premium, evaluating cleaning coverage, edge handling, spray/wipe efficiency. Product number 1, EcoVax WinBot W2 Pro Window Overview. The WinBot W2 Pro is EcoVax's mid-range, feature-forward model with 3 nozzles wide-angle spray, a 10-level protection system, and WindSlam 4.0 path planning. It emphasizes edge detection and a steady climbing system, with app control for remote operation. Priced at $309.99, it sits squarely in the upper mid-range for performance-focused users who want robust safety and adaptive cleaning across frameless and framed windows. Performance-wise, the 3-nozzle spray boost claimed 100% water pressure increase and 90% improved function time, combines with a brushless motor to improve cleaning efficiency by about 30% with WindSlam 4.0. The 10-level protection includes 6 hardware-based fall protections and 3 intelligent safeguards, which provides reassurance for outdoor or high-rise use. Edge detection is fast, 0.02 seconds, and versatile for reflective surfaces. However, the weight at 9.24 pounds and the need for 4 lithium batteries may influence setup time and overhead for frequent moves between rooms. In practice, this model excels on larger panes where edge cleaning and stable ascent and descent matter, and the app provides status monitoring and control. Product number 2, EcoVax WinBot W2 Pro Omni. Overview: the WinBot W2 Pro Omni expands the W2 Pro concept with Omni features, including a 6-in-1 multi-function station and charging while working capability. Priced at $419.99, it targets users who want seamless station-based control, integrated charging, and dual-mode operation, battery or plug-in, for extended sessions and larger glass areas. Performance-wise, the Omni inherits the 3-nozzle spray and WindSlam 4.0 planning, delivering a claimed 30% efficiency boost, alongside improved edge detection and reliable climbing with a strengthened belt system. The 12-stage protection adds multiple layers of safety, including insurance protection. The dual power modes make it practical for balconies or interiors without outlets, while the 6-in-1 station acts as a control panel, changer, stabilizer, and storage hub. The trade-off is higher price and a heavier unit near 19 kilograms that may require careful handling and a suitable mounting or installation context for the station. In real-world use, this model. Product number 3, EcoVax WinBot Mini Window Overview. The WinBot Mini is EcoVax's compact solution at $201.99, designed for small windows, frameless designs, and handles. It uses a dual-nozzle ultrasonic spray system with a 9-stage protection system and WindSlam 3.0 path planning, offering 3 cleaning modes and a slim form factor for tight spaces. Performance-wise, the Mini handles small panes and tight frames, with edge detection adequate for compact windows. The ultrasonics-based spray atomizes water for even distribution with minimal runoff, aiding streak-free results on delicate glass surfaces. The 6.17-pound weight and 8.46 times 8.46 times 2.17-inch footprint make it highly maneuverable for narrow frames and balcony mirrors. The main limitations are relatively older path planning 3.0 and fewer cleaning modes than W2 Pro variants, plus a smaller reservoir. In practice, it's ideal for apartments or homes with smaller windows and where space can. Product number 4, Automatic Window Cleaning Robot. Overview: the Nminto SS1 is a budget-friendly option at $109.99, featuring AI Path Planning 5.0, dual water nozzles, remote control, and triple safety with 3000 PA suction and a UPS power storage for outages. It targets price-conscious buyers who still want solid functionality and edge detection. Performance-wise, the SS1 emphasizes value with strong suction, 3000 PA,
for secure adhesion and a robust remote-controlled spray system. The dual water nozzle design and double helix cleaning heads aim to deliver efficient cleaning across various glass surfaces, while the UPS battery backup adds resilience during outages. The major trade-offs are potentially reduced longevity, fewer third-party accessories, and limited information about long-term reliability compared to Ecovacs units. In practice, this model is compelling for households needing.
Product number 5. Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro Window. Overview. The WinBot W1 Pro provides a nuanced option with WinSlam 3.0 path planning, dual cross water spray, and 2800 Pascal suction. It sits below the W2 lineup in price and feature set, and is positioned as a capable workhorse for mid-sized windows with standalone app control and edge detection. Performance-wise, W1 Pro balances suction and cross-spray technology to maintain a humid cleaning state for persistent stains. The 60 milliliter water reservoir is relatively modest, but paired with efficient spray remains usable for sizable panes. The inclusion of a lightweight 3.3-pound unit and corded power plus 110-volt operation makes it straightforward to deploy. However, its age, model year 2023, and 3.8 out of 5-star rating suggest potential improvements in newer iterations, particularly around edge handling and coverage on very large or frameless windows. For users with smaller to mid-sized panes, it provides a solid, safe cleaning solution